what do you think students should pick and choose? And why do you think it is important for today student who's passing out 12 should think about these skills?
Choosing a specific skill is important today, but I think it's more important to understand that how that skill will be applied when 40 years down the line when they finish college, right?
Correct.
So they may on their first year start with foundational courses in statistics, some math, some computer science programming courses like data structure. But by the time they go towards getting these advanced courses and selecting, like say, machine learning or deep learning, it is important to think about the application of those while you are in college. So I know you said you get internships and placements, but I think it's important to do a little bit more. I call it, because I'm from I spent a lot of time in academia, that literature survey. So my advice to students these days, and even for my own colleagues, is that once you pick up a topic that you need to go deep in, spend some time reading about it, spend some time how it has evolved, because things are changing so fast. Sometimes when we look at the specialized courses for our own organizations, there's an upskilling program for employees also, by the way.
Correct.
It's not just for students. And when we look at it, we looked at it 5 months ago, the course has already changed.
True.
Right? There are new techniques that has come in, and now they're saying, that doesn't work, or there's a better way to approach this. So pick up these courses, but at the same time, spend time understanding how they have evolved in the last 2-3 years and how they will be applicable to you in the next 2 or 3 years as you go through your degree programs. And do some projects, right? And don't wait for going to the industry and do those projects.